Shenzhen Hysincere Battery Co Limited was established in 2013. It is a lithium battery industrial application solution provider focusing on the R&D, design, assembly, sales, and service of energy storage and motive battery packs. The main products include portable power station, lithium replacing lead-acid batteries, motive battery packs, and energy storage systems, etc. Hysincere is committed to the sustainable development of global green energy. Hysincere strictly follows the ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 145001 system management requirements. From raw materials to finished products, through professional testing and inspection, scientific and rigorous assembly process, to ensure that each battery becomes a safe battery. Relying on excellent product quality, Hysincere has passed the certification of many authoritative organizations and successfully passed the certification of KC, PSE, IEC 62619, CB, UL, BIS, UN 38.3, MSDS, CE, and the products had been exported to Europe, America, Australia, Japan, South Korea, and Southeast Asia markets. Hysincere has been recognized by domestic and foreign companies, standing by our tenet, honesty, pragmatic, innovation, win-win. Our vision is to become a trustworthy leader in lithium battery industry. Hysincere sincerely hope to cooperate with you in the near future to achieve collective progress.